Hey everyone, welcome back. If you can't see your account balance or markers, here's how to fix it. First of all, log out and back in to refresh account data. Then check your internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed to rule out network issues, or make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then go ahead and open your app store, sort from Marcus app, and then make sure to update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. After that, clear cache or reinstall the app. To clear cache, you'll have to have the Android. You can clear cache on the Android app. On iPhone, open settings, go to iPhone storage, scroll down, look for the app, and then click offload app. After that, if the problem proceeds, go ahead and contact Marcus support to confirm no account issues. Once resolved, your account balance should display correctly every time, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.